Welcome back, everybody. Here we are again. Books, books, and more books. So, in today's bundle, I'm giving away these two books to someone who might be interested in it. And I'm trying to make sure I do this right. Hmm. Do, 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 do. Let's do it this way. Yeah, let's do it this way. We're going to take two different bundles. All right. So this video is the books on making toys and games. There's two different bundles. Bundle number one, Easy to Make Wooden Toys by Terry Forty. That is filled with all sorts of neat toys. It has patterns. And in today's world, we can scan these and blow them up any size we want. So that's Easy to Make Toys is part of bundle number one. And in addition to that, Wooden Puzzles and Games. Wooden Puzzles and Games by Kenneth Wells. All sorts of wooden puzzles and games. From very small little ones to, here you have the 3-piece Chinese puzzle, little wooden puzzle. So that's bundle number one. Bundle number two, we'll start with the hardcover. Studley, The Woodworker's Book of Wooden Toys. Van Nostrand Reinhold. Seems like I've heard that name before. Wow, this has a lot of great stuff in it too. So, hardcover, The Woodworker's Book of Wooden Toys by Van Nostrand Reinhold. Well, by Studley. What was his full name? Vance Studley. How to Make Toys That Whir, Bob, and Make Musical Sounds. All sorts, and he even goes into woods, different kinds of woods. So he does wood identification. Lots of, and then the tools, planes and chisels and augers and hammers, files and rasps. And then he gets into glues and everything else, and then there's the patterns in the back. So this is actually a woodworking instruction book. There's that. So that's toys. And to go with toys, we have another book on making games in wood. Checkers, chess, cubes. Okay? And this is by Katharina Zecklin. $19.75. So, bundle number two for toys and games. Two bundles. If you're interested and you want either of these bundles, or you don't care which bundle you get, put your name and in the comment section and tell me I want bundle number one or bundle number two, or I just want a bundle. That's it for this one. Toys and games. cleaning out the library. The books are free. Walter out.